Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Run under Audio. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Right-click and select Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Select Playback Device, click Set Default. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Disable and re-enable device. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update audio device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.